Welcome to the Fleet Command Center. This video provides a quick tour of our latest updates. The RF suite for LTU towers, MikroTik switch control with remote PoE, and automatic device typing. We have introduced 3 key pillars to our workflow. Everything now operates on the same principles. Click-only probes that minimize load on towers, and engines that are fully unit tested before any UI updates are deployed. Our new wireless monitor replaces the old dialogue with a real-time dashboard for every sector. All data is pulled directly from the radio, and you can clearly track radar hop counts for DFS monitoring. For security, raw command output is always redacted. When it comes to interference, our new tool focuses on collisions between your own sectors. It calculates severity and provides a concrete channel plan using only frequencies from the radio's own scan list, ensuring safe and reliable operations. The tower map now provides 2 distinct color modes. Severity mode highlights potential issues, while frequency mode visualizes channel reuse by coloring wedges based on the active channel, making it easy to spot overlapping spectrums at a glance. We are now bridging the gap between radios and the network. Connected Clients allows you to see exactly which customer is on which sector, including distance and management status, helping your network documentation happen automatically. The new Fleet Alerts dashboard acts as a capstone, focusing your attention only on what needs human intervention. Each alert is ranked by severity and includes a clear, actionable recommendation to resolve the issue quickly. Switch Monitor gives you a complete view of your tower switches. By leveraging device discovery, the system automatically maps which antenna is plugged into which port, providing full telemetry without needing extra spreadsheets. You can now reboot a hung radio directly from your desk. This action is protected by a mandatory confirmation that clearly identifies the target device, ensuring you never accidentally power cycle the wrong equipment. Our devices now feature self-typing capabilities. The system fingerprints hardware in the background, identifying exact models like the LTU Rocket or netPower switches automatically, while respecting any manual overrides you choose to set. These features were built with production WISP safety in mind. From cache-based probing to guarded actions and full unit testing, every aspect of the system is designed to protect your network integrity. Everything shown here is live on the main branch today. Just open the Fleet Command Center and hit refresh to see your fleet introduce itself. We look forward to bringing you more updates soon.